Struggling to make your Moodle homepage engaging? Today I'll show you how to transform any Moodle theme's homepage with the drag and drop power of Edwiser Page Builder. Before we start, make sure you've installed and activated Edwiser Page Builder. With editing turned on, click Add a block in the full width region. You'll see a library of blocks ready to drop onto your page. Choose from Hero Banner for a striking header with background image, headline, and CTA button. Feature grid to spotlight courses or services. Testimonials to build credibility or dynamic blocks like course progress and announcements. In a hurry? Switch to the Layouts tab, preview a pre-made homepage demo, and click Import. Your entire structure appears instantly. Just swap out text, images, and adjust colors in the Live Customizer. Here are a few best practices to keep learners glued to your homepage. Use a strong hero section with a clear value proposition. Highlight top courses or upcoming events above the fold. Add social proof like testimonials. Surface dynamic content like recent announcements or deadlines. Maintain consistent branding with your fonts, colors, and logo. And that's it. With Edwiser Page Builder, you can craft a stunning, engaging Moodle homepage in minutes. Ready to get started? Download it today and bring your site to life.